I don't know what the fuck happened here. We have a big police line, a really huge fucking police line, all the way to the end of the block. We got a lot of fucking, Canadian portable housing, mostly natives. Really pisses me off. That pisses me off. Everybody deserves a home except for fucking Canadians. You know, Trudeau fights people into Canada, which I have no problem with, as long as we have houses for them. But we got something fucking happening here. We got a fucking major police line. We got one police car over there. So I don't know what the fuck happened, but I suspect a death. Gotta get a little closer here. We got a cop there. But something fucking happened. Definitely wasn't a fire. 1, 2 cop cars. 3 cop cars. 1, 2, 3 cop cars. So, don't know what the fuck happened here. It's a huge police line. So. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, my puppy wants to see. So this is what I woke up to. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know what the hell happened here, but that is a big fucking... Oh, we got more shit there too. I mean, last night I hardly slept. The noise from the emergency vehicles was pretty bizarre. So we got 1, 2. I would go over there, but it's so cold. This is what it's been like all night. And last night, something dropped from it sounded really heavy from a high height. So, didn't sleep much. Just a shit show. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. So, don't know what happened, but I'll tell you, I suspect death.